Welcome back to Stormproofing YouTube channel, and this is our second video in our series on insurance companies, how to file a claim if you're the homeowner, how to deal with a claim, what to do, what not to do. And in today's topic, me and Chris here talking about those situations where insurance company writes an estimate for damages to repair your property, but at the end asking you to get few more estimates. Here's what you need to know. 22 out of 25, and Chris, correct me if I'm wrong, 22 out of 25 insurance companies using software called Xactimate. I would say 90% of roofing contractors out there who works with the storm damage claims also use Xactimate. We have people like Chris on staff, or we outsource it to people who can prepare estimates. So that's a software that's widely accepted in our industry. Just like if you go to the hospital, everybody uses the same software there, and Xactimate is what we use in our industry. So what's happening is when hail damage occurs or any other storm, hurricane, flood damage, insurance adjuster is trained to go to Xactimate, and he doesn't just pick the price, out of nowhere. Xactimate literally will tell him how much labor should be to remove, to install, how much people should get paid hourly for different trades. So it's all pretty regulated and agreed in the industry. So insurance also in business to make money, obviously. So when insurance adjuster tells you, homeowner, that you need to go get 3 estimates, they're not concerned about you saving money, they're concerned about them saving money. So what's going to happen is, if he's going to write an estimate for $30,000 and you're going to go get 3 estimates, and let's say one of them going to be $25,000, and you're going to choose that contractor for $25,000, you just saved insurance company $5,000. And I want you to ask yourself, what gives? Why estimate is $30,005? Because you don't get to keep it. You have to commit fraud to keep the difference, because you will have to send them documentation in the form of invoice or estimate or some kind of receipt to recoup the rest of the money. So the question I have is, ask yourself and ask adjuster why you, the homeowner, is being asked to get 3 estimates. Because if you already have a contractor working with you and somebody you can trust, just tell them. You have the right as a homeowner to tell them, I already have a contractor I'm working with. Chris, what's your thoughts on it?
This is something. It was a general practice that has recently changed, and it came more in the automobile side of things, to where you'd have one body shop, be 50% higher than the next one. And so what they try and do is they actually had the ability to choose where you went to go, because they wanted to pay the least amount. Mm-hmm. Now, you did have the right to make sure that, it was apples to apples, they're all doing the same type of work, and then they got to choose the cheapest of those prices. Generally, it was the middle guy, and that's where the 3 came up. In homes, it's different. You as a homeowner have the opportunity to work with anybody you choose. Now, as a homeowner, if you want to choose to really do a vetting process of talking with 7 or 8 contractors, that's fine. That's your choice. But as far as actually getting bids on insurance work, you can't. The insurance company is the one that gave the estimate, the bid, because you're right. Anything outside of that, if you're trying to get it done for less than what it is, you either have to return the money, or you cannot accept any more if it costs you less. It's fraud.
If you've been asked to get several estimates, but you already know the contractor you want to work with, it's your legal right to tell the insurance company, hey, this is my contractor of choice. I don't want to look elsewhere. Work with them, negotiate the price. I chose them for a reason. I did my research. They're a trusted contractor. And don't let insurance company bully you in making decisions that you're not comfortable with, because it's a lot of hassle. I mean, insurance company already agreeing on the price. All they have to do is to work with a contractor that you choose. And if you have a contractor in mind, or maybe you don't, find one contractor and send them. Don't make mistake that a lot of homeowners do. Don't send them 3 estimates and say, here's the estimates, who should I choose? It's not your insurance job to find you a contractor. It's your responsibility to find a contractor that you trust who will back up the work as well. So never ever go with the lowest bid. That's just asking for troubles. Go with somebody you can trust that will make right decision with the insurance company and will represent you well. Hope it helps, and in the next video we're going to talk about how much insurance is paying or underpaying on a regular basis. Thanks so much for coming. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think about the topic today in comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.